Hello guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Kingsley Ohajiwu. I'm the co-founder of EAGLESCLASS. I think this is the first time of me recording video where I'm showing my face to talk to you guys. Alright, so in this video particularly, I want to share with you guys top 10 chemistry repeated topics by JAMB. Okay, I wrote my JAMB, that was about 6 years ago, and I can still recall the topics my JAMB chemistry questions came from. So I'm going to be helping a good number of you with top 10 chemistry JAMB repeated questions. I'm going to share with you guys top 10 topics where JAMB usually set their chemistry questions. Okay, so stay tuned till the end of this video. You are going to learn a lot. All right, so as most of you are warming up to prepare for the forthcoming JAMB next year, so it's important that you get to know about this information on time so that you will know how to channel your own energy properly in terms of topics to spend more time on and all that. So let's get started. Now the first topic I have here on my list is acid-base salt chemistry. Now guys, this topic is very important. Now chemistry as a subject or as a course is not complete without acid, base and salt. All right, so give it all it takes. Try as much as you can to get adequate information under acid, base and salt. Basically, you are going to see questions from this topic, is a guarantee. All right, so when we talk about acid, base and salt, this is a broad topic. So we have properties of acid, we have types of acid, reactions of acid. The same thing is applicable to the base and the salt. So you just have to know these issues in acid, base and salt, that you know how to respond to them when questions come around it. Okay, so the next one I have on my list is periodic table. So guys, periodic table is also another topic you need to take very serious for your JAMB chemistry. Questions usually come out from periodic table. I can remember when I wrote my JAMB, that was on Friday 9th of March 2018 at Imo State University. All right, so I can remember on that night, because my exam was scheduled to be in the evening, but it didn't actually take place at the time assigned to it. I was to write my exam. My exam was scheduled to start at around 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. thereabout, but because I can remember I started my exam around to 7 in the night and finished around, that was because it was 2 hours exam. I think I finished around, if I started to 7, I finished around to 9, after 9 thereabouts, okay, p.m. the night. So that was my condition then. So I can still remember the question that came up for me in my chemistry questions. So a good number of them came from periodic table. So you guys have to get familiar with the groupings, with the periods, with the block of elements. All right, at least know first 30 elements, know their grouping, their period, and their block. Very important guys, very important. All right, so the next one I have on my list is bonding. Now when we talk about bonding, we have covalent bonding, we have ionic bonding or electrolytic bonding, we have your metallic bonding, hydrogen bonding. So you just have to know in details what each of these types of bonding is talking about. Okay, their features, how to identify them in a compound or in a reaction. Very important. I also have on my list, this will be the fourth one, is metals and non-metals. All right, so chemistry again will be incomplete without talking about metals and non-metals. So you just have to know to a good extent what metals and non-metals entail. All right, the properties, their reactions, and other things that surrounds metals and non-metals. So you just have to have a good information about them. The next one I have here on my list, which is the fifth topic, is separating techniques. So when we talk about separating techniques, we have your filtration, we have your crystallization, we have your evaporation, we have your distillation, we have your we have your decantation and the rest of them. All right, so there are a good number of separating techniques in chemistry. You have to know what each of them entails, and we have to apply each and every one of them, because questions will surely come from here. I can remember question came up from this place for me, my JAMB chemistry. I saw about 2 or 3 questions from this topic. All right, so the next one I have on my list is energy changes, very important as well. So when we talk about energy changes, basically you're talking about your entropy, your enthalpy, your gauge free energy, about your endothermic and exothermic reaction, and other things under energy changes. So also activation energy. All right, so you just have to get familiarized with every detail around this topic, energy changes. Very important, guys, don't joke with it. So the next one I have on my list, this should be the 7th one, is atomic structure. So atomic structure is the basis of chemistry. All right, we are talking about protons, neutrons, electrons, and all that. Talk about atoms, molecules, and ions. So don't take it lightly, take it serious, guys, take it serious. Questions surely come out from atomic structure. All right, so just have to know atomic structure, ins and outs of it. All right, it's an error for you to fail a question on atomic structure, because that's the simplest topic in chemistry. Basically, that's the foundation, basics. Any question you see under atomic structure, to me, is a bonus question. I just have to know it, and know it very well. Okay, the next one I have on my list is electrolysis. Now I know most students have issues when it comes to understanding the concept of electrolysis, but guys, can't escape it in your JAMB chemistry. Questions do come out from electrolysis. Talk about Faraday's laws of electrolysis. When you talk about your anode, your cathode, your electrolytes, your electrodes, anything that involves electrolysis, you just have to know to a good extent what electrolysis is talking about as a topic. Okay, the next one I have on my list is, this should be the 9th one, is chemical combination. Now under chemical combination, you have your balancing of equations, you have your compounds, your mixtures, and the rest of them. So you just have to get acquainted or informed enough concerning chemical combination. Right, so taking serious questions come out from chemical combination. And last one I have on my list is organic chemistry. So guys, I know that most students find it, how will I put it, most students find it, will I use the word difficult or complicating to understand organic chemistry. All right, but guys, you just have to know it, at least know the foundation, the basics. Questions surely come out under organic chemistry. Okay, so you have to know it, at least the elementary aspect of it. Know the elementary aspect of it. Everything you need to know about alkanes, your alkynes, your esters, and those stuffs in organic chemistry. You have to know it, guys. It will surely come out. Okay, like I remember when I wrote my chemistry exam in JAMB, I saw about 3 to 4 questions under organic chemistry. Okay, so guys, you just have to know it. What it take is time. Just give it time, and you understand the basics. Even if you don't get to know all those complicating structures, but just try to know the foundation, the basics. I keep emphasizing on the foundation, the basics, because the basic knowledge will help you a lot in the exam. Okay, so that's what I have to say about organic chemistry. In addition to my list here, because remember this video is about top 10 topics, but in addition to increase your chances of doing well in your chemistry JAMB, also add water. All right, at a topic. So try to know everything about water. Just try to know every detail you can lay hold on around water in your chemistry textbook. Questions also do come out from water. Okay, so that's it for top 10 JAMB chemistry topics you should know for your exam, for coming JAMB exam. All right, so guys, before I end this video, In this channel we have a series of videos around JAMB chemistry. We have videos where we solved past questions for each of these topics. All right, we solve a series of past questions, answering past questions, that questions that come under each of these topics. We have videos on them, so it will be worthwhile you take your time to go through each of these videos. It will boost your confidence of doing well in your JAMB chemistry. Not only do we have videos around answering past questions, we also have videos in terms of teaching these topics. So check the JAMB chemistry playlist of this channel. You are going to see it, and you're going to see these videos. Give it time, watch them, and you'll be glad you did. We took our time to explain them in a simpler approach. So go through them, you'll be glad you did. One more thing, my friend and I just considered to create a WhatsApp community for those of you that are preparing for the forthcoming JAMB exam next year. So all you have to do now is to check the description of this video below. I'm going to see a link to our WhatsApp community for JAMB. So click on it, join it, and you'll be glad you did. From time to time, we'll be giving you guys tips, strategies on how to maximize the opportunity you have to do well in your forthcoming JAMB exam. And we'll also be offering mentorship to you guys, academic mentorship for your forthcoming external exams, JAMB, WAEC, and the rest of them. All right, so check the description of this video, click on the link to the WhatsApp community, WhatsApp group. Basically you'll be added, and we'll see you over there. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to the channel. Really appreciate this. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you learned something interesting. If you have any specific questions to ask, or any comments, any contribution, any objection, feel free to leave it at the comment section. I will ensure to engage with it. All right, so until I see you in the next video, stay strong and keep being your best.